tips from different clients, and different clients, all hard customers. But I have runny nose today. I feel so sick, but I need to work. So I take this one, guys. At the same time, this one, antibiotics for my itchy, ano bang tawag, esophagus. Then of course, my body started to pain already. So I need to have this one, antibiotic also. Oh my god. Then I need to drink this vitamin C dissolved in water. Vitamin C with glutathione and vitamin E. It's so hard to work, guys, without not in the mood. But what to do? We cannot refuse. If we have clients, we have to do it. So anyway, thanks God, still alive. I'm still have strength, and thank you for this blessing that God has sent to me, the clients, the regular clients. Thank you so much, Lord, and thank you for watching, guys. Inom ako ng antibiotic. Flew away. Oh my goodness. That would be all, guys. Good evening, everyone. Bye.